फाटल्या सप्तकात पर्वरे एक फेटल एक्सिडंट जालो. फ्लायओव्हराच्या बांदकामा खातीर लागपी सामान घेवन वचपी लॉरी पोना आयिल्ल्यान ताळगांव नागाळीचो विशाल काणकोणकार आगताक सोंपिल्लो. ताणें डायव्हर्जन केल्लो रस्तो चुकोवन काम सुरू आशिल्ल्या रस्त्यान गाडी व्हेल्ल्यान हो अपघात जाला अशें स्पश्टीकरण सरकारान हायकोर्टाक दिलां. पर्वरेच्या बांदकामा विशीं घातिल्ले जनहीत याचिकेचे सुनावणे वेळार सरकाराची जाप.
Was there today. The petitioner made grievance about the traffic position on the route from Porvorim to Mapsa. His main grievance was one person died in an accident that happened in the last week. But we told the court that this accident has nothing to do with the work activities. In fact, there was a diversion of a traffic. That traffic diversion was not followed by that person. He went into the area where the traffic was not permitted, and he himself skidded on the road, and that is how that mishap happened. But we are investigating into it, and we will look into the matter. That is what is told to the court. But apart from that, on the issue of this traffic congestion, traffic problem and hazard, the court has directed the petitioner to make his suggestions before the government and point it out to the court also. And based on that, the court will pass further orders after hearing the government, and what precautions or the steps the government is going to take in this regard is pointed out by the government. So this is what happened today. As far as the work which is going on now in the areas where the work of laying piers and pillars is concerned and where it is completed, the principal chief engineer is holding a meeting of all the stakeholders to take further steps in these areas, to take measures to as far as monsoon is concerned. Pre-monsoon preparations will have to be carried out by the PWD. Principal chief engineer is looking into it, and the government will take necessary steps to prevent any inconvenience and problem to the public and the vehicular traffic in this area.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.